Hi everyone, I hope you are all fine and feeling good. Well, welcome again to our online lessons, and this time with unit number 10, brain drain. In this video, we are going to study what is brain drain, what are the reasons behind brain drain, and we are going to learn some vocabulary related to brain drain, especially collocations and prefixes. Great, let's get started. Let's go. So the first task we are going to deal with is this. So put these pictures in a logical order. So in your opinion, which of these pictures comes first? Which one comes second, third, and then the fourth? Can you guess? Yes, very good. So the first one is studying, because we go to school, we study, we learn, we get information, we accumulate knowledge. After that, we get a diploma when we finish our studies. So yes, this is it, getting the diploma. And here the big challenge starts. You want a job, you want a future, you want to settle down, but sometimes you can't because of unemployment, because of lack of opportunities of jobs, etc. And then here you start to think of an unpromising future, which leads you to think about immigrating abroad, going somewhere rather than your origin country to work and find a job. Great. Let's see this in more details again. So here, studying, getting a diploma, unpromising future, immigration. Great. Here I will let you to watch a short presentation made by a group of students and their teacher, Mr. Abuka, and then let's discuss later. So this is the video. Great. So what is the brain drain definition? Here you are. Yes, a man. Yes, pulling his luggage, going to the airport. Now we are going to see some statistics about people living abroad, or Moroccan people. So as you see, 80% of the Moroccan people are in Europe, and 5 million point 5 yes 4 million point 5 people live abroad. I mean here Moroccan people. Now, what are the reasons that drive people to immigrate? When we talk about reasons, we talk about two types. Push factors, they are the factors that force people to leave, like unemployment, bad work conditions, etc. And then the second type are pull factors. They are the factors that attract people in the host countries. Well, now we move to the negative side of brain drain. Government lose a lot of money to educate these people, and then finally they leave and let their country. Their origin country remains underdeveloped. Immigrants find many difficulties to integrate, maybe losing your own culture, etc., etc. So we can think of many side effects. The question is there any solution to this? This is what we should think about now. Well, this is the conclusion. So the presentation is done. I'm going to discuss the ideas of this presentation in the next slide. So let's move. So as you see here, brain drain, also called human capital flight, is the immigration of highly educated and skilled professionals to work abroad. So people who are educated, people who are skilled, talented professionals, they leave their origin country to go to other countries to find a work or a job there. So and usually this movement is from the south to the north, from home countries to host countries. Why these home countries or from home countries, because home countries are usually poor countries and the developed countries, and they are the countries of the third world. Sorry. Host countries are most of the time rich countries, developed countries, and first world countries. Great. Now, why? The question is why these people leave their countries. This is what we're going to discuss in the next slide. So here you see push factors and pull factors. For the push factors, we have low wages and income, lack of advanced technology and facilities like laboratories, etc., unsatisfactory living conditions, bad quality of education like universities and schools, political instability, wars, conflicts, problems, discrimination and corruption, lack of intellectual freedom. For pull factors, we can talk about good conditions of work, high salaries and wages, multiple opportunities to continue studies and conduct more research in the host countries. It is a kind of improved quality or well qualified learning and education. Until now, we have seen what is brain drain and the reasons behind brain drain, and this is our introduction to this unit. In the next part, we are going to move to some vocabulary. So in this vocabulary section, we are going to see collocations and some prefixes. And we are going to enhance and boost our vocabulary about the topic of brain drain. So let's get started with the first task. Collocations. You all know that collocations are two words or more that they go together. When go together, they give a new meaning. Great, so I have here some examples. Match the words below to make collocations. You have the red row here. You collocate it with the words in the green color. The same for the rest here. So take a few minutes, try to match and see if you can match these collocations. Great, so you have finished. Then we get to correct this. So we say racial discrimination. Very good. And then political, yes, instability, money transfer, job opportunity, rapid growth, higher living, home country, host country also, earn a living, tempting salaries, human resources, technical assistance, squander money, fulfill a dream, brain drain, low pay, skilled workers, attract attention, bridge the gap, finally brain gain. And brain gain here is the opposite of brain drain. Instead of brain draining to the host countries, we should gain these people and let them work in their countries so that we can benefit from their skills and abilities. Great, so this is for collocations. I hope you got them. Try to explain them and then try to learn them by heart. Now we move to the next part, which is about prefixes. So you know that prefixes are letters added at the start of a word to change its meaning. So we change the meaning of the word when we add a prefix to it. Let's see some examples. Inter, meaning between, and among. So let's have some examples, like international. So you see the word national means related to one country. International is related to different countries, so the meaning here changed. Another example, interview, interference, interaction, interconnected, internet. The next prefix, extra, beyond or outside meaning. Examples, extraordinary, extravagance, and extra legal. Another prefix, intra, meaning inside. Examples, intracellular, intrastate, intra-school, intra-country. Under meaning less than. Examples: underdeveloped, underpaid, underfed, undersized, underpopulated.